Welcome. If you've ever noticed localized trends or topics that don't quite match your interests on X, formerly known as Twitter, changing your country settings can make a big difference. Whether you've moved to a new region or just want to explore what's trending elsewhere, this updated guide will walk you through all the steps to change your country on X quickly and easily. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your main menu. From there, tap on Settings and Support. Now, choose Settings and Privacy. This section holds all your account preferences, privacy tools, and customization options. Tap on your account. It's the first step into managing your personal account information. Next, select Account Information. Depending on your security settings, X may ask you to verify your identity, so go ahead and complete any quick verification steps if prompted. Inside the Account Information section, look for the option labeled Country. Tap on it and you'll see a list of available countries. Scroll through until you find the one you want to switch to. Once you've selected your new country, the app will update your settings based on local preferences, such as recommended content and trends. Before finishing, make sure to review your choice and then tap Confirm. This will lock in your new country setting. In just a few seconds, your feed and suggestions will start adjusting to reflect your selected region. And that's it. You've successfully changed your country on X. It's a small change that can make a big impact on what you see every time you log in. If you ever want to switch back or explore different regions again, just repeat these same steps. Thanks for watching.